Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sky from Scratch. I am Shomodi, a psychologist by profession and a DIY techie at heart. This is the drone I built from scratch and of course with help from my dogs. And in this new series, I will walk you through how I built this smart, stable, and reliable flying machine from scratch right here in my backyard. Despite very strong winds, this drone holds its position with confidence thanks to the Pixoc 4 and the precise PID tunings. It holds its position solid like a rock with millimeter precision. When fully charged, this drone can hover for around 22 minutes. It can fly for 13 to 15 minutes at full throttle, and this drone has a thrust to weight ratio of 2:1, which is quite ideal. Using a budget-friendly Hawkeye Thumb 4K, the footage is cinematic with 4K quality, gyroflow stabilization like a gimbal but without the added weight of a gimbal, and with amazing details. We realize it is not just about flight, it is about safe flight. So we have set up lots of fail-safes and battery voltage alerts. Even at dusk, this drone is easy to track with programmable strobe lights and navigation lights like a real aircraft. The visibility is never compromised. It returns home safely when you have lost the control or the battery is about to run down. If you crash or you have lost the drone, it alerts you via a loud siren. We didn't just build a flying machine, we built trust. Whether you are a beginner or enthusiast, I will guide you through every step, from screw tightening to telemetry setup. In this series, I will show you how we built everything from scratch, from choosing the right frame and motors to configuring firmware. From stress testing fail-safes to stimulating crashes and analyzing failure points before our first real flight. You have never seen building an aircraft in such intricate detail. It is not just a tutorial, it is a journey, and I want to share every little discovery we made along the way. So if you have ever dreamed of flying your own drone or just love seeing technology come alive, subscribe and follow the playlist. This is just a beginning. And hey, if we could build this in a small town with basic tools, you can too. Even if you are a layman, with the great details we have presented in this series. And I will be available for your questions if you ever want to make your dreams of building and flying your drone, your own aircraft, come alive. So this is Shomodeep signing off. See you in the series.